Welcome. In this video I will tell you if XIAOMI 15T is waterproof. While not entirely waterproof, the XIAOMI 15T has an official IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. This means it can withstand submersion in fresh water up to 3 meters deep for up to 30 minutes under specific laboratory conditions. It is designed to be resistant to dust, splashes, and water, but that protection may deteriorate with wear and tear, and it is not recommended for use in harsh environments like beaches or pools. So the rating provides solid waterproof protection for everyday scenarios like rain or accidental splashes. And that's the answer to this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.